For my infographic, I focused on easy ways to be environmentally conscious. So I aligned this vertically with the boxes going from top to bottom of the screen. And it starts with the most impactful way to be environmentally conscious, which is consuming fewer animal products. And then the next one is reuse disposable items, which is my second most important way to be environmentally conscious. And then I moved to recycle what you can't use, and then buy local food. And then at the bottom there's this tagline that says, implement one or two of these small changes in your life today. And this was a rhetorical choice to not seem too pushy or overly persuasive. And so that's the hierarchy with the most important to the least effective things. And my color scheme is analogous. I use this dark blue for the titles, and then this medium green for the little taglines under the titles, little captions, and then this turquoise color for the number data and things that I want to catch the audience's eye. And I used two fonts. I used this kind of bulky but still stylized serif font, and then this really thin sort of futuristic non-serif font. I used the bulkier, bigger font for the big titles that I want to really catch the audience's eye, and then the little things for the more detailed items. And then I used this sort of crinkled background color. Let me zoom in a little so you can see it better. This texture for the background, you can see it right here. And here's a slightly zoomed out view for better detail. You can see these crinkles, and it's just kind of white and gray. I used this because originally I had used a white flat background, but it just didn't look very professional. It looked very web page, and I wanted this to look more eye-catching and interesting, so I thought the texture would be a good way to do that. Thanks for listening.